to lesson 5 in our spoken Maasai language journey. Today is a very big step. We are going to unlock full sentence power. Unlike English, Maasai sentences begin with the action. So the sentence order is verb, subject, object. Now, watch my mouth and say it with me. Aloituang, aloitang, einositen kerayin terit, einositen kerayin terit. Yes, you are already speaking in sentences. Now, conjugation. When I speak, it's a. When you speak, it's e. When he or she speaks, it's e. When we speak, you prefix this word with ki. When you all speak, e. When they speak, e. Interesting. One verb becomes 6 possibilities. So I would say, airoro, I spoke. Iroro, you spoke. Eiroro, he or she spoke. Kiroro, we spoke. Iroro, you spoke. Eiroro, they spoke. You can talk about anyone, anytime. Finally, the present or now form of the verb. Aloito, I am going. Kinosita, we are eating. Egerito, he or she is writing. Now take a breath and say, Aningito nano, I am listening. Keep practicing. Your voice carries our culture forward. Now for some of these as well, you can send me back voice notes for me to grade your pronunciation. Ashenaling, let's continue.